let's talk about and how to suggest all of your Facebook friends to add another friend. I'm using toolkit for Facebook. Then after install this one, then go to the dashboard of this tool, then click on here each relatives. I'm just going to click on this link because I want to suggest to all of my friends to add another friend. Now you have to select your time, interval time. I just want to select only 1 second or 2 seconds. If you want to do quickly, then you will have to set up the 1 second or 2 second. I'm just going to select some of my friends here.
Okay. That's fine.
Then click on start sending suggestion. It's already done.